Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change transition effect on Redmi 13c device. Well, here I'm gonna show you the transition effect on my device. Okay, and then how to change it. Let's go to the tutorial. First, here you can press on any screen on your device. Well, and then you can select settings icon here. After that, here will appear several settings related to your device home screen. And then to change the transition effect, you can select the first one. And then you can choose any transition suitable for you. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change transition effect on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.